Welcome to the Easy Fixit channel, and this is a quick update to announce a new version of web browser Firefox. Firefox 73 was released today, Tuesday, February 11th, 2020. And on this place, so there's not a lot of new stuff actually, but on this website, what we mostly talk about is the security aspect of the Firefox browser. It contains quite a few security vulnerabilities that are of high and moderate importance. So that is why you should actually update to the latest version. And how do you know if you have the latest version to stay safe on the web? Simply go on the upper right corner in your Firefox browser. There's three vertical lines, what we also call a hamburger menu. Here, go to Help, and there go to About Firefox. If you're at an older version of Firefox, it's going to automatically update you to the latest version, 73.0. And I do actually think it's important because a lot of the security problems are actually for memory corruptions of all sorts, including also another one where JavaScript is a problem. If you're on a Mac, there's also a security flaw for that is Mac only actually, where extensions can grant arbitrary applications permissions on Mac OS X. So that's important to fix. It's a moderate issue, and this is a very, very unique only Mac OS bug. But for the rest, all the other bugs are pretty much for all platforms. So it's really important to update to the latest versions of any browser anyways all the time because of that, because of the fact that you have security flaws, and every new version fixes a certain amount of security flaws. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up, and thanks for watching our videos.